Over on this side of the lab, we've got a little titration set up. So sometimes when we're out in the field or when we're making a product in our factory, we need to take the pH step further than just measuring the pH, and we use this type of titration. This one will be an alkali product, and we put a bit of an indicator in there to make sure that we can see the colour change. We choose the correct reagent and just slowly drop-wise add it to the parent solution and mix it until the colour changes. So in this one here, we're looking for a colour change from pink to colourless. So I'm counting the number of drops I'm adding. So we're up to 5, 6, you can start to see it's going pale, 7 drops, 8 drops, and 1 more, and then the colour's gone. So our reading there is 8. We go back to our calibration charts and we just make sure that's within specification.